Or it could be the third.
It can be whatever we want it to be.
We're just gonna be like Abbey and Elle unplugged, unfiltered, uncensored, unedited.
Where's our wine?
But welcome back to
Welcome back.
the Firefly hook meets Elle inspired.
That's the Firefly hook.
So
I'm Ellie inspired.
So what's up? And now we've had sufficient amounts of caffeine and protein, so
We're happy now. Mine doesn't shake.
it sloshes.
It's
It's a little sloshy.
sloshy.
So we thought we should talk about how we met.
Yes,
It took us
See.
way too long.
it did. Way
It was
too long.
stupid.
Her husband and my husband have been friends for, I don't know. They've
Ever.
known each other since high school, probably even a little bit in middle school.
Yeah.
I think that's what he said too, a little bit in high school, but not much. But I mean, they did more high school stuff together.
Yeah. But for like decades,
Yeah.
they've known each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, I was at her wedding. Her husband was in our wedding. She wasn't around then yet, but
No.
I was there at your wedding.
Yeah.
Yes. I was
Yeah.
pregnant.
You were
With-
your first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I was, not her.
Not now.
Shotgun wedding. I'm just kidding. No, not now.
At mommy and daddy's wedding, Danielle was pregnant.
I was,
Soraya.
yes.
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
She was just a peanut. Mind blown. Yes. So, anywho, tangent. Here it is. Sliding that over. Okay. So, wedding, met her, the end of it. I don't know. Fast forward. Okay, you got married 2006. Okay, and then we 2015, 16.
16. No, but it's 19.
15.
So 17. It was only been 2 years
Oh my gosh.
that we've
You guys.
started hanging out.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah. So,
We
but
lived-
we lived in different states for a while. So you
Yeah.
lived in Kansas
Kansas City.
City. We lived in Casper, Wyoming.
Mm-hmm.
So we moved back to Minnesota in 2015.
Yeah.
So it took us two years,
After
and
that.
maybe a little less than two, because it was like the middle of 2015 and it was the beginning of 2017 when we started hanging out. But finally, like we had seen each other at like mutual friends' birthday parties,
Yeah.
and we'd like sign
And I
each
was
other
like,
on
I
Facebook.
think I could be friends with her. She seems fun.
Yeah,
But
and
we
you saw
never
the,
really
the
talked.
Hobbit clock.
Yeah. And she's on Facebook and she posts this clock, like Lord of the Rings clock, that says like breakfast. What is this?
Second
breakfast, 11Z's,
Lindsay's
lunch,
tea.
And I was like,
Dinner,
oh,
supper.
she needs to be my friend. I would love that clock. That's the best. And I wrote on it because I was like so excited that someone would even post something like that because nobody did. And I was like, yes, oh my gosh, where is this clock? I need to get it. And in my head, I'm like, why aren't we friends?
Right.
And then, well, I feel like maybe it was a year after that.
It was actually my birthday, but I didn't tell you
I
that.
didn't even know.
Because I didn't want. It wasn't like I was inviting strangers over for my birthday to celebrate me.
Strangers.
It was just like, I think I was to the point where I needed some people to hang out with on a regular basis, and I was just praying for that friend to come. And I was like, I don't know if this is her, but we're gonna invite her family over. And we hadn't like had them over ever, so we just invited them over,
Mhm.
and you and I got to sneak away
We did.
because you just had baby 6.
Yep. Baby
And
6.
so we left the men with 8.
9.
We have,
Because if a baby
we have
6.
9 altogether. We
Yeah.
didn't leave the baby.
Oh, we didn't. No,
No.
we took the baby.
So
That's
we left
right.
them with 8 children, and you and I took baby Tikva and went and had coffee and went walking.
And I'm on Target
And
because
Target,
that's
we were
what
like-
moms do.
We are kindred spirits.
And at Green Gables with some buddies here, man.
Right away.
I was like, are you sure you didn't grow up in my family? And our moms aren't like weird secret sisters or something? Because we're way too alike.
What is going on? And I remember you asking me if we could hang out like once a week or every other week and do like homeschool stuff together. And so it just turned into every week we got together, went on nature walks. And it wasn't even until like a year ago we started doing this together.
I found out she crocheted,
Mm-hmm.
and I mean I crochet too, so I was like, oh cool. And then we just found out we do crafty stuff, and we love crafty stuff.
We do.
And
So she was knitting her fingers off. She
Mhm.
was, I don't know how many years you've been doing it, 6, 7?
I started 2013. My
Okay.
shop.
So yeah.
So that's like what, 5 years?
Yeah, 5 years.
I just came up
6
on my
years.
5th year anniversary of having my shop open.
Wow.
Oh my
What in the world?
What the?
So she added my bulky beanies to her shop.
I can't even remember how the conversation came along, but I think we were at our Target inspired location,
Yes.
and we were chatting, and I was like, I have so much work to do, and it just feels like so much because I custom knit all the hats. I don't pre-make them. I tried to pre-make them, I just never have any time to actually do it because 6 kids. Hashtag 6 kids.
Hashtag 6 kids.
And keeping house, whatever, it's just no
Yeah.
time. So I do all my knitting at night, and I just had so many orders I was like, I just can't even deal anymore. And Abby had a great idea of supplementing hats, because she can make hats, and she's got this beautiful yarn from Wool in the Gang that we were like, okay, yes, let's do that.
Mhm.
We're gonna do this. And so thus became little business partners.
Yeah. So I don't have to do any marketing.
Nope.
Danielle just sells them all. And I
I just text her and be like, hey, yo, I need 2
Uh-huh.
in these colors. Send them my way. And
Yes.
we get together once a week anyway, so it's not that difficult to get
Yeah.
them to me, which is great. And hers, because, crochet works up a lot faster than knitting.
Mhm.
So she just whips them up, and sometimes she'll whip them up at my house. We'll just be sitting there and she's like, Dad,
Yeah.
I don't even need to bring the hat. I'm just going to make it at
I
your
just
house.
bring the yarn to make it.
Yeah.
We're not going to talk about how long it takes to make me a hat, though. It's a secret.
Yes, no, shh.
It's very fast, but
It is very fast. Unless we do one of those time lapses and see how long it takes you compared to me.
oh yeah, we are going to do a race.
We're going to do a race, but we have to do it in the same yarn because it'll be faster for me to work in the same
Yes.
thickness as you.
Yes, it will. Yeah. So yeah, that's the story of how we met and finally started hanging out all the time.
Yeah. And now we do all the things, and it's so much fun. And I'll sometimes, like, if I'm... What? I was over here making this little face. Are you sad?
Are you okay? Or are you just listening? No, she's not going to talk.
Oh, and now she's just making faces.
Oh,
the
love it.
best faces.
Love it is.
I can make faces.
Guess what?
Gotcha. Yes. So besides all the things of like us getting together and doing business stuff together and doing stuff with the kids, like some nights we just get together, we hang out, we drink wine, and we make crafty things.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the best. That's
is
just
the
so much
best.
fun.
Or we play Oregon Trail with our husbands.
Oh, yes.
And get
Oregon
bitten by
Trail.
rattlesnakes.
Or Catan and pretend like we're not angry with each other. You took my spot.
I was like,
I hate you for life.
whatever.
Well, this game is done. We're friends again.
Like, give me more Moscato. Now. I need it. So we do. We have fun. We do all the things. All the
Mhm.
yarn things, all the school things.
Yes. So that's us. We're super fantastic.
Me, us.
Wait, how does the song even go now?
Look out, here I come.
Dang it. I just listened.
Beat of drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is us.
The end. We'll see you next time.
Next time.